It's the national examinations season in Kenya, and there is a new addition to the traditional KCPE and KCSE exams, KPSEA. 1.3 million grade 6 students are taking the tests. They are scheduled to run for 3 days from the 28th to the 30th of November 2022 and will be administered concurrently with the KCPE test. Ultimately, KCPE will be replaced with KPSEA. Five subjects will be tested in KPSEA, which include Maths, English language, Kiswahili language or the Kenya Sign Language for the deaf students, Integrated Science, which is made up of these areas, and Creative Arts and Social Studies, which is also made up of the following areas. Under KPSEA, composition and insha writing skills will not be tested. Optical mark recognition technology will be used in the marking process. The machines are capable of marking 100 to 200 scripts per minute, eliminating the need for involving teachers in the exercise. The marks scored by each learner will be captured electronically too. The final KPSEA score will be totaled from the school-based assessments and the Summative National Assessments. School-based assessments are usually executed by classroom teachers and are in the form of projects, practicals, portfolios, and oral assessments at grades 3, 4, and 5, whose results are uploaded to the KNEC systems by teachers across now those years of testing. The Summative National Assessment, which is the main KPSEA examination, will be in the form of multiple choice questions only. Kenya National Examination Council will issue result slips after the completion of marking, which will later on be followed by a Kenya Primary School Education Assessment Certificate or the KPSEA certificate.